If anyone were to audit the value of the bins full of circuit boards that we threw away, heads would roll.
The environmental and financial consequences of this practice are just stunning. It's hard to believe that corporations continue to operate like this in this day and age. Replacing old for new is not the answer. Identify the fault, replace only the failed device, prevent the failure from happening again whenever possible. These should be every repair and service engineer's top priorities. Visit repair.waste.com to learn about the benefits of implementing a repair-first approach in your business. Check out the insightful information about PCB repair, alongside evidence of the vast successes of those in the field who choose to repair rather than replace.